So here, welcome again to my channel. This is Parth, and this channel is Secure 7. So here we sold the machine, which is a VulnHub machine, and here you can see the machine, which is a Funbox Gaokao, and here is the download level link, and the description is here. Don't try to brute force, and here is some screenshot. Close it, and here you can see the Oracle Virtual Box. So I am running the machine in the Oracle Virtual Box and connecting with my bridge network with the VMware workstation, which is our kalilinux deploy machine. So our vulnerable machine IP address is 103 and our kalilinux IP address is 102. Here you can see, and we have scanned the networks with using nmap and trying to getting the options, put the options and finding some ports, open ports, and the versions of all the servers and FTP versions. Okay, so here you can see nmap, sc, sv, and pn use, and the vulnerable IP address here you can see. And now here you can see port 21 is open. So port 21 has the FTP port, and there is a version is a pro FTP. So we check this pro FTP, copy this and paste into our notepad. Next is the 22 port is open. So first open the 22 port. We check the here you can see welcome messages here. So first we're trying to do FTP, and we're trying to anonymous login and without password. So here is the getting the login into the IP address, which is anonymous, and trying to ls here, and here is the file, which is a welcome.message. So getting this file into our terminal, welcome.message. Hit enter. We are getting this file. Exit from here and trying to open this file with using cat command. We're trying to cat here, and this is welcome message file. Hit enter. Here you can see welcome achieve users. Here is something right here. The local time is anything else. Okay, this is the experimental FTP server. If you have any unusual problems, please support via email. Here is the some credentials, which is we copy these credentials, paste into our notepad for our information. And here you can see sky at the red, which is sky is our user. So trying to put user into the sky is our user. Okay, so now what we do? Okay, clear first this. Okay, so now we're trying to hydra, which is helps to finding the FTP password here. Okay, so trying to our L is our username, which is sky, and we trying to use the password user.txt. So user share word list and roq.txt, and what we're trying to do FTP login. Okay, so trying to 192.168.0.103 is our vulnerable IP address. So trying to FTP brute force on the Sky user and brute forcing the Sky users and password brute force. Hit enter. Hydra is working. Here you can see our login, users, and password is here. So now what we're trying to do, first clear this and FTP again on this IP address, which is 103. Hit enter, and now our user is the Sky, and our password is the best. Hit enter, and you can see remote system type is Unix, using a binary mode to transfer files, and we are logging successfully in the Sky user. So we're trying to ls here. Here is the user dot flag here. So first getting this flag, which is a user dot flag. Hit enter, and we're getting this file. So we're trying to get user flag. Hit enter. Here is the file. And now what I see. So here you can see here is a being bash is here. So these files must be a vulnerable for us. So trying to exploit in this file, which is a bash hi, and put this exploit in this file, which is create this file vulnerable. So again we put this file into the Sky user. Okay, so now we're trying to comma user dot flag here and hit enter, and we're trying to put our payload here, which is a bash dash I and ampersand. We're trying to privilege escalations of the shell, which is a dev dash tcp slash, and our IP address 192.168.0.102 is our IP address slash port number 1234. As always, we put this port and ampersand 1, and now our payload is ready. Sorry, now our payload is ready to work it. Save it, close it, and now what we're trying to do, put this file again into the here. Okay, so put, we use put command for putting the file, which is flag dot user dot flag here. Okay, and hit enter, and successfully completed this file. So now we see the file, which is a changes in the file or not. So user dot flag here, and you can see file has been changed. So of course we have to miss the netcat command on the port 1234, and trying to getting this, waiting for the payload is run. So again let's this flag and to check the payload is running or not. Waiting for the connections, trying to again put this file is okay. Now you can see we have the bash terminal. So we're trying to work python sc import on, trying to slash bin slash bash here and close it, hit enter. So this doesn't work. So now we're trying to do finding some SUIDs in the finding search and SUID permissions to give another vulnerabilities. So now finding this here, find slash param slash 402 slash dev slash null. hit enter. So here is some directories which is most likely be is finding some here directories. So here is the bin shoe. So here is the bin bash here. So trying to copy this and go to the browser. So here GI for bins here and paste it here. No problem. So which is not vulnerable. So trying to closing this and this is not possible. So here is sudo. So you can see sudo install -m bin bash here and -v. So we trying to the here which is a /bin /bash and -v and hit enter. And what we see, we are the rooted. So ls here cd/root here ls here cat root dot flag. Hit enter. We are rooted and we find the final flag. So we have the finding the vulnerability which is the vulnerable FTP. So now this is the solving the machine, and thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos and sign out.